So, do you know what we are drawing today? What is this shape? You guess it. Yes, we are drawing a boat today. So, grab your pen and start drawing. It's a very easy boat. You will enjoy drawing it. I have these colorful markers to draw. I'm choosing orange, yellow, and purple color for this boat. I'm arranging these colors on the side. Green, purple, yellow, parrot green, dark green, and orange. Now, let's do the color magic. I hope you like my video. If you like it, do subscribe. Bye bye.